and I just got a delivery from Mike's Affordable, so I'm going to go through and unpack and check everything that I ordered last week and see what came and get started on putting this engine back together. All right, I've received some goodies in the mail recently, and I'll just show you what I've gotten. Probably recognize that. There's the gasket kit, oil pan, other side of oil pan. I went ahead and got the complete gasket set, so I have, other gaskets, intake and exhaust, just all the little engine gaskets, so I'll need those anyways. Also got some fuel tank sealer for doing the gas tank. Now that I've got it cleaned out, I'm gonna put a sealer inside of it. And recently I got, see if I can show this, from Mike's Affordable, which is here in North Georgia, another package from the UPS man. There she is. That's what I've been looking for. Timing gear. Fiber. AER. And if you look at it closely, you can see these holes are not evenly spaced. So when you put it on, it'll only go on one way. So don't force it. But this hole is just slightly off center of the center hole. But that's what I've been waiting for. These gaskets, and this front motor mount, because I think the one that's on there, the springs look pretty shot, so I'm gonna have to do replace the front motor mount. You can see this has a little kit where you get the center spring, two side springs, the nut. For some reason, you have to buy the little brass separate that it sits on. I don't know why it's separate, not part of the kit. And the yoke. So I think that's about it. And let me rotate it a little bit right here. You can see just cleaned up the oil pan, sanded it down and painted it, and get it ready to go back on. And still working on the gas tank. Need to put bought this fuel tank sealer, and I'm gonna put that in there and rotate it around and put a good coat on it. So that's about it. Haven't really done much on the car itself. I've been waiting for the parts, been working on the gas tank, and then also my lawnmower gas tank had a hole in it, so I've been working on the lawnmower gas tank too. So hopefully to get back started on working on the engine here in a little bit. All right, everybody, take care.